Have you noticed the people that you're subscribed to are not uploading videos as much, or not at all? If you actually go click on your subscribers and you start clicking on their names and looking at their videos under their videos tab, and you take a look at when they uploaded a video last, I had people that I subscribed to where they haven't uploaded a video in over 2 years. I was like, are you kidding me? And then all of a sudden, I'll see one upload video and say, oh, sorry guys, haven't uploaded a video in a year, but I'm going to do it more. And this is the video they upload, and then I don't see another one for 4 months. You scratch your head. So you end up unsubscribing them because they don't seem to be putting in the time. For whatever reason, who knows? So the people you're subscribed to become less and less in your feed, and you start seeing less videos. So how do you go and get some other people to subscribe to, and how do you find them? Because most of the time, YouTube will suggest to you people that have 1 million subscribers, or 5 or 20,000, 50,000. It would be nice to find the little guys and give them a hand, right? Well, if you click on home, which is in the top left of your YouTube, YouTube is going to give you a whole bunch of people that they suggest. And you can also click on these words, which they believe is what you're interested in. And when you click on these words, it will suggest only those videos to you. Now, as you scroll down and look at these videos, you may already be subscribed to some of these people. And they're automatically suggesting somebody you're subscribed to. And there's some new people. But let's say they send me a... let's say they're suggesting this video to me, and it's probably something I may not like. Over here, there are 3 dots. See that there? You click on the 3 dots, and I can actually say not interested or do not recommend. If I say do not recommend this channel, whenever I click on home, they will never recommend that channel to me ever again. If I say not interested, I'm given other choices. I can say undo it, or I can say tell us why. And I have a choice to say I've already watched this video, I don't like this video. Or I can undo it. So, and normally I do that with videos with women that try to walk around half nude. Because I know what they're trying to do. They're after the views, so I'll actually say don't recommend this channel. And that's where it'll be. And that's it. Usually I'm looking for videos that are tutorials or videos that help me expand my horizons with my brain or whatever. But I'm not looking at videos that are just trying to attract views. So that's just me. You could be different. But when you click home, a lot of your videos that are coming down here are suggestions of videos that you could watch. And then you can actually now get people that are active on YouTube that are subscribing. Now, another way of finding new YouTubers or things on a particular subject is you actually type something in the search bar at the top. You'll notice I typed the word drone. And once you do your search, the problem with this is most of your videos they're going to suggest are popular people. You know, people that have 500,000 subs, 2 million subs. And you may be a person that wants to find new people. Because let's face it, new people, people that only have 200 subs, I mean, they work really hard. And they're more interactive with you, so you might get to know them or make a friend. Where people that have 50,000 or 1 million subscribers, they don't care who you are. They're just pumping out videos to make money. And it's just one of the catch-22s. Now, some people like to watch people that have 1 million subscribers. Some people don't. But there's a thing here at the top left that says filter. So you type what you're searching. I typed the word drone. And then you click filter. Now, I have a lot of choices here. I could show what was posted in the last hour. And these are all the videos that were posted in the last hour. Okay? I could possibly choose today, this week, this month. If you're looking for new subscribers, you would probably click this month, and then you'll see people that are currently active. With, you could search for 4K, you could search 360 degrees, If you were searching a channel name, you could put a person's name in there of their channel and then click on channel, and you're only going to see actual channel names. You're not going to see videos, which could be helpful. So if I turn around and I go to, and you have to click the X to turn it off if you want to select a different one. So I'll go back to today again. And these videos were uploaded today. And you'll notice, you'd be surprised how many videos on a particular subject are uploaded every day and how quickly this changes. Because usually the average YouTuber will usually upload a video once a week. Sometimes some people will do more. But in order to be in this filter of every day, somebody would have to be uploading a video every single day for people that are actually using that filter. So you can actually filter out new people instead of seeing videos that are old. And this is a much better way when you're searching for something. So if you were searching for something more up to date, like if I search drone, I mean, I'm getting drones from 4 years ago, 2 years ago. And drones technology changes so quickly, just like computers. I want to see the latest and greatest. I don't want to see something that's, 2, 3, 4 years old. So I would probably click on something like this month, and then I get this quite limited to only videos that were uploaded in the last month. And you have to learn when you're looking at videos, their thumbnails, for example, you have to learn which thumbnails are just to grab you in because they're after a view or they're after to make some money. The first thing I look at is how many views. If I see 429,000 views, well, I know for a fact this is a money channel. If I see 767,000 views, I know that's a money channel, especially when you see things like, oh my God, and they put an alien or a zombie thing in. I mean, look, 829,000 views. When I see, here's one, 363,000 views. When I see things like that, that's just to pull in the younger generation. Nothing more. Okay, here's a guy with 3,000 views. You got to pay attention to the little bit of writing that they're providing for you, is what you have to do, especially if you're trying to find new people. Because new people are going to have 100 views, 200 views. They're not going to have stuff like this, 80,000 views. Okay, 1,000 views ain't bad. That's a pretty starting out channel. But when I see something that's like 1.3 million, no, those are really big high-end channels, and it's basically their business to be on YouTube is what it is. So, if you're looking for smaller channels, type a word in the search, filter it out to 1 month or 1 week, and then start looking at their actual views on their channel, and it'll give you a better idea how new they are. And you may have to scroll down a little ways because YouTube tends to give you the more popular stuff that's going, the more popular views. So when you actually get way down, you'll start getting, less views and stuff like that. And it does take some searching. You'll notice, like, here we go, 89 views. This guy's a small guy, is what it is, with only 89 views. Because in the 9 hours, he's had 89 views here. But if I go here, 30,000 views. So you can see there's a lot of competition with drones, and that makes it hard to get the information you need on drones because of the competition. There's so many people doing videos on drones that now there's just too much information and a lot of it's garbage. And YouTube, Google, is trying to filter that out to give you the best information on what you're looking for. But let me show you another example here. So let's say you're a prepper, and I'm going to filter my search. And I did a search for prepper, and now I'm going to filter my search to this week. Okay, notice 39,000 views, don't want it. 42,000 views, 82,000 views. These are all your big boys, okay? 2,000 views, that's a smaller channel right there. Start scrolling down, 193,000 views. Nothing but a money racket just to fill your head with a bunch of garbage so they make money. And the people that have achieved these views and these subscribers, I mean, they've learned from the statistics in YouTube what you guys want to see. So they make those type of videos because to them it's all about the dollar bill that's coming in. But to the new guy, Sure, he would like to become one of the big boys and he would like to make money. But to get to that level, he would have to turn around and learn how YouTube works, how their algorithm works, how their titles work, their keywords, how doing stuff like that is going to bring them up higher on the list. So they got to work harder. And if you're looking for those subscribers that don't have that many subscribers and they're just kind of starting out and they're new and you're kind of curious and maybe you want to give them some pointers because you've been on YouTube a while, here's one here, 114 views, and it's been there 5 days. This guy's a small YouTuber. So this is how you find the small ones. This is how you find your smaller channels. And pay attention to your views very closely. You can do it by clicking home. You can actually do it by clicking the word in the search box. It's better to do it in the search box. And but if you're lazy, click the home, get some suggestions. But if you click the search box and type a name in there, whatever you're looking for, if you're in the art, whatever it is, then all you got to do is go to the filter section, and filter it down for a week or a month or whatever you want in here, and then pay attention to the actual views of what they actually say. And then you'll find your new channels that have just started, or maybe you're looking for higher end channels that have a lot of views. So learn how to use your YouTube. And if you didn't know, let me know in the comments if you didn't know all this was out there. And simply typing a word to search and then using your filters or clicking home and getting suggestions from YouTube. At any rate, I'll catch you guys on the next one.